So today we're going to take a look at a tool that promises to, well, completely clean up your digital life. It's powerful, it's versatile, and you know what? Maybe best of all, it's totally free. Let's dive in and see what this is all about. No, really, just think about it for a second. You need to convert a PDF, so what do? You search for some random converter. You need to resize an image. You open up a whole other tab. You want to quickly share your screen with a colleague? Yeah, that's probably another download or some clunky login process. It's just this mess of bookmarks and single-use tools, right? Well, what if you could just replace all of that with one single browser-based solution? I mean, one place for dozens of those common tasks without installing a single thing. That's exactly the idea we're exploring today. And here it is, MiOffice. The homepage itself tells you the ambition here is huge. It's not just about one little task, it's designed to be a central hub for your work, for collaboration, and even for entertainment tools, all in one spot. And you know what's really powerful here? Before they even show you a single tool, they make a promise about privacy. This isn't just about making things convenient. It's about giving you control, making sure your data stays yours. That's a crucial distinction in today's world. All right, so with that promise of privacy fresh in our minds, let's pull back the curtain and see what this digital Swiss Army knife can actually do. And I gotta say, prepare to be impressed by the sheer number of features we're about to see. I mean, just look at this grid. This represents dozens of applications all rolled into one website. We're talking AI tools, image editors, file converters, a full suite of PDF organizers. This is the kind of toolkit you'd normally have to pay a pretty hefty subscription for or piece together from 10 different websites. And this is not just basic stuff either. We're talking about sophisticated AI-powered image tools. You need to pull a person out from their background? There's a tool for that. Got an unwanted object in a photo? The magic eraser takes care of it. This is modern, powerful editing right in your browser. Now, for anyone who works in an office or is a student, this right here, this is gold. Forget the absolute headache of trying to combine multiple documents for a report or trying to make a quick edit to a PDF that's locked down. Here, you can merge, split, and even convert a PDF into an editable Word document, all in just a few clicks. And let's not forget file conversion. I mean, have you ever gotten an image from a newer phone in that weird HEIC format that nothing seems to open? Or maybe you needed to convert one of those modern WebP images to a simple JPG. This handles all of that instantly. It's going to save you a ton of frustration. Okay, so the toolbox is massive, we get it. But to really understand how simple and powerful this platform is, let's just zoom in on one specific feature that pretty much everyone needs at some point: screen sharing. This slide just perfectly shows the whole philosophy of the platform. It is so incredibly straightforward. There are no accounts, no downloads, no lengthy setup. It's just 3 simple steps to get you from wanting to share your screen to actually doing it. And here's what that looks like in practice. So on the left, that's your starting point. You just click Share My Screen. And then a moment later, you're live on the right. The system generates a unique private code for you. You send that code to a colleague and boom, they're instantly watching your screen. It's that fast. And notice this crucial detail right here, that little green lock. The connection is end-to-end encrypted. This goes right back to their core promise of privacy, so you can share your screen for a presentation or for tech support with complete peace of mind, knowing that your entire session is secure. So after seeing this huge toolbox and walking through a super practical feature like screen sharing, let's bring it all together. Why is a platform like this such a game changer? What's the real advantage here? It really just comes down to these 4 things. First, it's a truly all-in-one solution, which saves you from juggling all those different sites. It requires 0 installation, so it works on any computer, anywhere. There are no barriers like creating an account, so you can just get straight to work. And maybe most importantly, it's built from the ground up with privacy and security at its core. So I'll just leave you with this question. Given the clutter of apps we all have, the privacy concerns with all those random online tools, and just the sheer inconvenience of it all, maybe a single, secure, all-in-one toolbox is exactly what we all need. So, is it time to simplify your workflow?